All right, we're back to answer another question in this video, and this one here is saying, how can I avoid feeling hungry all the time? They didn't say when it comes to raw and living foods, but I'm imagining that's what they mean. How can I avoid feeling hungry all the time? Let's get into it. All right, this is a good question. You know, people who transition to raw and living foods sometimes can have this feeling come up where they feel hungry all the time. They feel like, I'm not satiated. I'm always hungry. I ate the salad, but I'm still hungry. A couple things that I'm picturing is, for one, we have different colonies of gut flora called the microbiome, the microbiota, right? So we have the microbiome that is the putrefactive guys, like breaking down all the dead foods, you know, the animal products and just the processed junk. So they're helping us in a lot of ways. And then when we start to eat raw foods, we're feeding these guys, but there's not very many of them. And these guys might be stronger, like there's just more of them. And they're like, yo, you haven't sent any food down. So they're sending the signal to our brains because the gut and the brain are connected. They say that the gut is the second brain. I'd be willing to argue the gut is like the first brain in a lot of ways. That could be one thing. They're feeling hungry all the time because they're not feeding the putrefactive microbiome, which is that dead food. Animal products and dead or processed foods. That could be one thing, right? And that's going to take a little while to grow that fiber thriving microbiome, which is more beneficial for us because they're creating the butyrate and the short chain fatty acids, which help repair our gut. But that's what I would suggest to somebody who's saying, I just feel hungry all the time. You know, I transitioned to a raw living foods diet and I'm feeling hungry all the time. What do I do? Well, just eat more. You know, track what you're eating, make sure you're getting a wide variety of different foods and eat more. You might be surprised if you track what you eat. You might be like, oh my gosh, I only got like 1,400 calories. Well, no wonder I'm hungry. I'm used to eating 25 to 3,000 calories on a cooked omnivorous diet, right? Or, you know, a cooked plant-based diet even, especially if they're using oils and these sorts of things are more calorically dense and can kind of help you feel a bit fuller that way because calories, right? Yeah, so that's a tricky one because there's just not really much there. I wish I knew more about this individual, but yeah, eat more, track what you're eating, see how that makes you feel. If that's you, then you've got that tool in your kit right now. And if you want to make sure you're eating enough, check out the Vegan Health Bundle. It's loaded with plant-based products in there. Over $4,400 worth of products and value essentially, and it's all yours for $49. It's linked in the description, so be sure to go grab that. We also have our school, our Raw Food Romance School community that's on sale, 30% off. So you can get in for $33 a month or $349 for the year. It's typically $47 a month or $444 for the year. And this is another way that you can actually see when you join the school group and you see the meals that we're preparing and you're seeing how much volume of food that we eat. That can be, you know, really beneficial in a lot of ways. I wrote a new book called Full Mast. That's in the Vegan Health Bundle. I've also got my Full Mast Empire School group, which is focused on men and increasing their circulation and blood flow, getting their, you know, libido and drive back through diet in a lot of ways. Now, diet only plays one part in the whole wheel. The whole wheel, you know, you have all these different spokes. Diet is just one spoke, but man, that spoke is a super huge one, and it is really out of whack in a lot of people's lives. But yeah, that's a good question. How do I avoid feeling hungry all the time? Could be a few different things, but I definitely feel more often than not, if people are eating raw foods, especially if they're new to eating raw and living foods, they're just not eating enough. And the best way to do it is to track what you're eating. There's an app called Chronometer you can get on your phone, and you can type in every single thing you eat for the day, and you can see how many calories you got, what your fats are, your proteins, your carbs, and all your micronutrients, your vitamins and minerals. Everything will be basically broke down in there if you are diligent about putting every single thing that you eat for the day in that app. And after you do that for a while, you start to train yourself to just kind of be able to look at food and be like, oh, that's going to be that. You know, I had 4 bananas in my smoothie. That's 400 calories. A medjool date's 50 calories. I had 6 dates. That's 300 calories. You know, 700 calories. And then I did a cup of berries. You know, essentially you got 800 calories in your smoothie. So you know, like, okay, cool, I'm getting enough fuel. Because when we only eat like I had a date and a banana for breakfast, or a lot of people skip breakfast. So many people skip breakfast Then they're like, I don't get hungry in the morning. I can't eat breakfast. And we have a thing called adaptive thermogenesis that happens when we do something for so long, the body adapts. So if you never eat breakfast, your body just naturally is like, cool, all right, I'm not going to be hungry. But if you start to eat breakfast, your body starts to crave food in the morning. You are hungry, right? So that can be a big issue for people is, if they're feeling hungry all the time, they're just not eating enough. But I just so wish that I could chronometer like an average day for this individual, because more often than not, when I've done this with people in the past, I'm like, bro, you're getting 1,200 calories on your typical day, and day after day, like, yeah, of course you're hungry all the time because you're not eating enough, right? Like your body's like crying for more fuel. So don't be negligent. If that's you, make sure you are tracking what you eat. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that sort of stuff. Give me a question if you got a question down below. I'd love to answer your question. Give me some context. We'll try to dive in, answer your questions. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you on the next one. Love you.